is from Versace. Versace. Hi guys, what's popping? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So guys, as we all know, today is V-Day. Today is Valentine's Day and I'm gonna be unboxing my Valentine's Day gift. So let's go. So gift number one. So guys, it's from Versace. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Versace. Yeah, I think that's how the Italian call it. Versace. Are you guys curious to know what's in here? Because I am very curious. Versace. Okay, so let's open this baby. Versace. I think that's how the Italian call it. Versace. I mean, some English people say Versace, but I think it's called Versace. I've always wanted to learn Italian. Okay, so oh my god guys, I have always wanted to have this, man. I've always wanted to have a Versace robe. Alright, so let me try this robe on. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So, look at these guys. Alright. Let me try it on. This is actually the most expensive Versace robe. And this is, I think this is the only one with the gold logo in the back. This is the only one with this gold logo. Don't mind me, I'm tiptoeing so I can look tall and show you guys how this looks. Okay. I wish I could show you guys how this looks. I'm gonna make a full video in the bathroom. Yeah, so that's gift number one. This one is from hubby. So now let me open my gift to myself, because guys, self-love is everything. If you cannot love yourself, nobody can love you. You have to treat yourself. You have to buy stuff for yourself. Sometimes even buy flowers for yourself. I do that. Sometimes I just go on a trip all by myself. Just go on a day or two in a hotel. 5-star life, relax. Eat nice food, drink a glass of champagne or wine. Forget about my problems, because believe me, problems not the finish. Problems not the finish. Problems will always be there. So live life, guys, live life. Gift number two. Jacquemus. So this is Jacquemus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right because it's French. Jacquemus. Jacquemus. No. Jacquemus. It's not for me. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Ta-da. So some of you might know this bag already, because I got this bag for my friend for her birthday a month ago. And honestly, when I bought it, I have no idea how beautiful it was in person. I knew she liked colors like this because she loves bright colors. And after I saw her unboxed it and sent a picture or video and tagged me on it on Snapchat, oh my God, I fell in love with it more. Because when I got it for her, I knew it was her taste, what she would love actually. But I wasn't like a fan of this color. But when I saw it, gosh, I knew that I had to have it. So yeah. So it comes with this handle. You can have it, put it to the side and have it longer if you want. Like this, you kind of clip it to the side. You can either hold it like this, or you use these handles. Or you use these handles. You clip it. One done, one more to go. Clip the other side. Yeah, so you hold it like this, like a cross back. Or you can do it like this. Like this. No. I personally, I doubt I will ever do it this way, because I always like to hold my bags as a handbag, not as a cross bag. I always like to hold my bags like this. So let me see what's inside. This is what is inside. Jacquemus. I'm trying. I think I should just leave it. So guys, yeah, this is the inside. I'm trying to show you guys. It's quite cute. It's the bag. Front. All right. So I got myself my favorite robe. So honestly, I'm gonna be wearing this on special occasion only. Let me say I go on a fancy 5-star holidays. I'm taking it with me. Oh, I don't know, but it's not gonna be a daily thing. This is it's not a daily type of robe that you wear. I have the cheap ones. That's the ones I'm gonna be wearing daily. Yeah, but that's it, guys. Yeah, I am super happy and I'm blessed. I thank God and I thank my husband and I thank me for looking out for myself. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Love you guys.